Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are doing good. Today we're gonna be fixing up the RSX. You guys already know that I haven't been driving it just because the suspension has been bad. And hopefully by the end of the day, we're able to take the car out and be able to hit VTEC. Okay, so moment of truth. This has been sitting for about 4 days. Now we're gonna see if the battery really charged up. Let's fucking go. No new battery needed. That's if you guys saw my previous video. Okay, as you guys know that I do hear a big clunking noise on the passenger side wheel. So I've been suspecting that it's the coilovers because I did change the tie rods and the wheel does move from a 3 to 9 position. It's better if I just diagnose it right now than something going really wrong while I'm driving the car. As you guys can see, the wheel is off, but this was what I was talking about. The 3 to 9 position still moves, and by eliminating the tie rod, which I did change, if I was to just hold this down and make sure this doesn't move at all and try moving it now, see, the wheel still moves. So that basically means that the tie rod is not at fault. And what I'm seeing is that there's a play between the coilovers. I think I'm going to try to take off the coilovers and do a little suspension on them. First I'm going to try doing is tightening all the bolts of the coilovers and seeing if it still moves. Just because there's play on the coilovers, it could be a possibility that some of the bolts could be loose. Okay, so I may have a theory. This coilovers are just spinning right now and they're not supposed to spin. I just tighten it up as much as I can with my hands, but I will need a spanner wrench that do adjust these coilovers. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna run to O'Reilly's or AutoZone real quick and try buying a spanner wrench, and I'll see if I can tighten this up real quick. Okay, so I saw this at Harbor Freight. It's a adjustable pin spanner wrench, and that's why I'm at Harbor Freight right now. So let's just see if they actually have it and we'll go buy it. Bad news, they didn't have it in stock, so I'm gonna probably go to Walmart. If not, I'm gonna have to make a homemade one where I just try to use something to lock in the coilovers. Alright guys, so no luck at Walmart, but now what I'm gonna try to do is I'm gonna try using multiple methods to make this as tight as possible. Alright guys, so I found this in the back over there somewhere. Fingers crossed if this actually works. Let's go! It doesn't move. This thing came in clutch. I'm gonna go take it for a test drive and see if everything is good and if I still hear that noise from the passenger side wheel. See, I mean, the car pulls well, so I kind of figured it out, but it seems like it just came loose again, the amount that I tightened, and it was good for the first like 5 minutes of driving, but the problem just came up again. When I shift the car, it just does a big clunk noise and it just like kind of loosens the coilovers. Let me see if I can get the sound for you. That's usually when I hit like second gear. So do you guys hear that? Since I know that it was the coilovers, I can just buy new ones anytime that I want, rather than just keep tightening these up and try to fix them. Because I've heard bad things about Godspeed coilovers, which is the ones I have right now. I did hear a story, and I was watching a YouTube video where this guy had an RSX Type-S, and he had the same coilovers, and the coilovers broke in half on the freeway, and the guy like swerved around, but luckily he was okay. I'm kind of scared that might happen to me just because I'm already hearing noises. The second option what I can do is I can go on Amazon and try to get the spanner set so that I can properly tighten these up. Obviously that's a lot cheaper than buying brand new coilovers, because BC coilovers that I want is over $1,000. So let's give the spanner set from Amazon a chance to see if those fixes the issue. If not, then I'm just gonna buy brand new coilovers. But since I did tighten them up, the car definitely drives a lot better than how it was before. Before, I couldn't even keep the car straight. There was a steering wheel was doing this. At least it drives straight and it's kind of safe to drive. Jeez, I mean the car feels good. You guys hear that? That was definitely one of the pops I was talking about. So I've been looking at Amazon and I found these. These look pretty good and they seem like they're different sizes. So if one size don't fit, I do have a different one to try on. And I think they might work. Also, my car's keys batteries are dead. For some of you guys don't know how to change your Mustang key battery, it's pretty easy. And if you guys do know how to change your guys' car key battery, just enjoy the video.